Hello, my name is Chris. In this video, we'll talk about managing financial accounts in LeadCenter. We'll cover how to create an account, manage account notes, tasks, and workflows. We'll give you a quick overview of syncing with Orion, overriding account fees and commissions, transferring between accounts, tracking bank payments and advisor commissions, and a high-level look at financial account reporting. When you log into LeadCenter, go to the blue menu and click Accounts. There, you'll see the full list of accounts being tracked in LeadCenter. You'll see the account ID, name, account number with the custodian or policy number, sign-up date, issue date, tax type, and current amount. The current amount is pulled from the custodian, along with the account type and status. If you click the arrow at the end of any account row, you'll see additional information, such as the wholesale provider, whether it's an annuity or insurance product, the insurance company, and any other additional information saved in the account. To create a new account for a contact, go to either the pipeline or contacts. In this example, go to the pipeline, select the contact, and that opens the contact details page. From the Actions menu, click Create Account to open the account creation page. The first step is to choose whether the account is for insurance, AUM, or financial planning only. For example, if you're creating an AUM account, it's important to set the status. Is it pending, forecasted, or issued? By default, the status will be set to pending. Then select a custodian, for example, Charles Schwab, and choose an AUM product. If needed, you can add new custodians and AUM products directly from Settings. Select the engagement sign date. This date is set at the contact level, so when you create an account for a contact for the first time, you'll be prompted to set it. You'll also need to set the application sign date, which is the date the client signed an application with the firm. If you don't sign an application while the client is at the pending status, just put any date. The date is important. This is important for tracking forecasted and pending accounts. Then, enter the amount. Since the account is in a pending or forecasted status, you may not have the exact amount yet. LeadCenter can be used to track future production, so enter the amount or an estimate of what the client is expected to fund the account with. When you issue the account, you can update the amount. For example, enter $500,000 and select a writing advisor. You can also add multiple advisors. More on that later. There's a checkbox here labeled Not New Money. If you want to exclude this account from production reports, check the box. It will prevent this account from being included in any production reporting. If you hover over the info tip, it gives an example, like the death of an account holder, followed by opening a new account for a beneficiary. But there are other scenarios that qualify as not new money. In this case, leave it unchecked. Then, select the tax qualification and tax type. One important thing to remember is that the tax type determines whether the account meets the RMD requirement or not. If you select a tax type subject to RMD, it will be highlighted here to indicate a required minimum distribution applies. There are additional fields you can fill out, but for now, we'll skip them and click Save. That will save the account and take you to the account details page. You'll see the primary account information, including account assets. From here, you can add more assets and view basic details like the account number, type, custodian, and written amount. At this stage, the amount is marked as written because the account hasn't been issued yet. Once issued, it will be shown as amount issued. You'll also see a list of important dates that can be tracked, whether the account is for AUM, financial planning only, or insurance. On the left side, you can add comments and view writing advisors, beneficiaries, ownership, riders, company fees, and commission payments. You'll also see advisor commission payments, tasks, documents, custom fields, and workflow runs for this account. This gives you a comprehensive view of everything tied to the account. To issue the account, click Edit and change the account status to Issued. Once the status is updated, the next step is to provide a funding date. At this point, you'll need to provide an account funding date. Once that's entered and saved, the account will be issued automatically. In this example, we'll hold off issuing it for now. Instead, let's review a few other fields to show you how to create tasks, notes, and workflows. For example, let's say you want to add a note for this account. Go to the Comments section to add a note. When adding a note, you can also alert one of your colleagues directly. For example, in any note field, you can type the @ symbol to see a list of users in your company. Then, select one of the users and add your comment. After you click Post, that user, like Michael, will receive an email notification with the note and a link to the account so they can follow up. Let's say you want to add a task for Michael. Go to the Task section and click Add Task. You can either select a task from the templates or create a new one by entering a title. Then, set the owner, like Michael, choose a high priority, and set a due date. For example, set the due date to Friday. You can also add notes, then click Save. The task will be created for the account and will show the current status. Michael can now follow up, and the task will appear in his task list. To run a workflow, just click Run Workflow. Select from one of the available workflows your team has created and attach it directly to the account. Now let's go ahead and issue this account. Click Edit, change the status to Issued, add the funding date, like today, and click Save. You'll see a warning that the contact is not marked as 1. After saving, the system will prompt you to update the stage to 1. Confirm the change. You'll also see a warning if this account doesn't have an account number. When issuing an account, you must enter one, usually from the custodian. Click Save. The account is now saved and marked as issued. The software automatically calculates company fees, and if an advisor commission plan is set up, it will also calculate the advisor's commission. Let's say you want to override the account fees. To do that, click Actions, then select Override Company Fee. For example, change the fee from 1.22 to 1.1 and click Save. This will update both the company fees and the advisor commission automatically. Let's create another annuity account as an example and fund it by transferring from this AUM account. Go back to the contact and create a new account. Set the status to Pending, choose Insurance, and select Emeritus as the provider. For the product, choose Flex Market Select Plus and set the product age range. Select 76 to 85 from the Product Age Range dropdown. The system will automatically calculate the commission. Then, choose the App Sign Date and enter an amount. Set it to 0 since we'll be transferring funds from the AUM account. Select a writing advisor and click Save. Now the pending annuity account is created. Next, go back to the Contact and open the Accounts tab. Find the AUM account that was funded earlier. You can either click the Transfer option directly or open the account and use the Actions menu to select Transfer Money. Then choose the account you want to transfer the funds to. Select the insurance account you just created as the destination. Enter the transfer amount, for example, $100,000, and click Transfer. The amount in the AUM account will update, for instance, from $500,000 to $400,000. The system will flag that a transfer occurred from this account. Now, if you open the new insurance account and check under Accounts, you'll see the $100,000 has been added from the transfer. Before issuing the account, you'll see a notification that $100,000 was transferred from the previous account to this one. Click Edit, change the status to Issued, and set the issue date to today. Then add an account number, or a policy number in this case. Click Save, and the account is now issued. The software automatically calculates both the advisor commission and the company fees for this annuity account. You can also track bank payments and advisor commissions. For example, when a payment is received for this account, you can record it here under Bank Payments. Enter Received Commission as the payment title. Then check the estimated company commission. It shows $4,000, so enter that as the received amount. Finally, set the received date to today. Now the received commission is being tracked. To track the advisor's commission payment, add it under Advisor Commission Payment. Enter the advisor's name, the commission amount, and the payment date. Let's say today, then click Save. This allows you to track both advisor commissions and bank payments. There are also a few additional screens you can access from the Accounts section. For example, under Actions, you can view all transfers that have taken place. From there, you can click Undo to reverse any transfer that was made. From the account list, you can access reports. You can also open the Advisor Commission Payment screen directly to view advisor payments. In the Advisor Commission Payment screen, you'll see a full list of payments made to advisors. Back in the Accounts section, you can also create and save custom filters. For example, click Add Filter. You can filter by things like accounts issued this year. You might filter to see only issued accounts that meet RMD requirements. Click Apply, and the system will show all accounts flagged meeting those RMD requirements, and that's for accounts issued in 2025. To remove the RMD filter, just go above the search bar. You'll see all active filters listed there. Click X to remove the filter. Now let's say you want to save this filter view for future use. Click the Save button, name the filter Issued Accounts 2025, and mark it as private, so it's only visible to you. Click Save, then reset the view. To reuse the filter later, just click Saved Filters. Then open Issued Accounts 2025, and that will load the filter again. This was a high-level overview of how you can manage accounts in LeadCenter. Thank you.